Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is percentage change. Percentage change means the change in the value of an item. Item means some article, commodity. The change in the value of an item can be expressed as a percentage increase or decrease in the original value. To understand this, we will consider question number 3 of exercise 8b. Question number 3 is an elastic band which is 72 centimeter long is stretched to 90 centimeter. Original length is 72 centimeter and new length after stretching it is 90 centimeter. And we have to find the percentage increase. So increase in length is larger number minus smaller number, 18 centimeter. And we have to find percentage increase. So required percentage is increase will be numerator, as we have to find the percentage increase, and denominator will be original value, original length, multiplied by 100%. Increase is 18 centimeter, original value is 72 centimeter, and by using calculator, percentage increase in length will be 25%. And 25% shows that out of every 100 of original length, increase in the length is 25. Now I do question number 4. Question number 4 is, I read from the book. In Singapore, the EduSave scholarship is given out to the top 10% of students within each level and stream in every school. There was an increase in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009. The table shows the value of this award for each level in 2008 and 2009. You can see the table. The EduSave scholarship is given out to the top 10%. But to the top 5% award, that is scholarship, is $300 in 2008, will be given out to primary 1 to 6 level. In 2009, $400 is given out to primary 1 to 6 level, and $500 will be given out to secondary 1 to 5 level to the top 5% students. Similarly, to the next 5% students, scholarships are distributed in the table. In first part, given that there was an increase of 30% in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009 for a secondary 1 student in the top 5%. We are given the information related to secondary 1 student in the top 5%. Top 5%, secondary 1 student, and what is given? There was an increase of 30% in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009. 2008 $500, 2009 award is missing. Find the value of the award for a secondary 1 student in the top 5% in 2009. In 2009, we have to find the award. So what we are given? Increase of 30% in the value of the award from 2008. If we increase 30%, the new value will become 130%. And new value we have to find the value of the award for a secondary 1 student in the top 5% in 2009. We have to find award in 2009, which will be obtained by increasing 30%. So it will become 130%, 100% plus 30%. Percentage is a fraction. Fraction means part of an object. And here the object is increase in the award from 2008. So we are increasing award of 2008. And award of 2008 of secondary 1 student is $500 to the top 5%. So it will become 130% of award of 2008, which is $500. Now by using calculator, we will get the award of secondary 1 student to the top 5% in 2009. $650. Now I do second part. In second part, we have to find the percentage increase in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009 for a primary 4 student in the next 5%. So, see the table. Next 5%, primary 4 students will lie in this range, primary 1 to 6. Award in 2008 is 250. Award in 2009 is 350. And we have to find the percentage increase from 2008 to 2009. So I start award in 2008, $250. Award in 2009, $350. Increase in award from 2008 to 2009, $100. And we have to find percentage increase. So increase will be numerator. Increase or decrease means change, and percentage change is taken from the original value. Original value you can see here award of 2008. Multiplied by 100%. Now substitute the values. Increase is 100. Units will be cancelled out. Award of 2008 is for the next 5% of primary 4 student is $250. You can also see here by using calculator we will get 40%. And 40% shows that out of every 100 of award of 2008, award of 2009 will be 140 because there is an increase of 40 out of every 100. Now I do question number 5. Very simple question like question number 3 and question number 4. The price of a desktop computer decreases from 1360 to 1020. So decrease will be $340. Now we have to find the percentage decrease. So decrease will be numerator. And original price of a computer will be denominator. Thank you, students.